here. Let's start with the person who has multiple A's.
A was the death score
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wyndham County in northern Connecticut, central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Washington County in Rhode Island, northern Newport County in Rhode Island, Kent County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, Bristol County in Rhode Island, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Canton to near Killingly, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Providence, New Bedford, Brockton, Quincy, Fall River, Warwick, Cranston, Tucket, Plymouth, Taunton, Weymouth, East Providence, Woonsocket, Braintree, Coventry, Dartmouth, Cumberland, Randolph, North Providence, and Franklin.
If you want to hear your voice, you can go next.
Why with the recom, dude?